Dear students, welcome once again to Army Public School PMA Kaku Resource Network. Before we start our subject maths, please subscribe this channel and press on bell icon. Today we will discuss the homework of week 10, and in this week we will start the new topic chapter 4, and the name of the topic is dividing by 2, 5 and 10. And the subtopic which will be discussed are grouping and sharing. And the second subtopic is dividing by 2, 5 and 10. After watching this video, you will be able to group and share the number and divide any number by 2, 5 and 10. Students, before going in details, first you have to understand the concept of division. What is division? For this, consider yourself. Suppose your mother gave you 10 sweets to distribute them into 2 children. Now you have to distribute these equally. For this, we will do the division. So we can say division is to split into equal parts, or dividing a number into equal groups. And this is the symbol used for division. What is grouping? To explain this concept, here we have a example. There are 10 oranges. Put 2 oranges in each bag. Now in this example, 10 oranges are given and you have to put 2 oranges in each bag. What we have to find? Number of bags. So in this question, you have to find the number of bags. They are called groups when total things are given and you have to know the things, how many things you have to divide or give or put. This is called grouping. For this, we divide the numbers. We will divide 10 and 2. 10 divided by 2, answer is 5, and this number 5 is the group, and we need 5 bags to put the 2 oranges. So we can say there are 5 groups of 2. What is sharing? I will discuss it with the help of example. Farhan has 10 lollipops. He has to divide equally into 5 children. Now, number of things are given and you have to divide 10 lollipops equally into 5 children. This is called sharing. For sharing, we will divide the number, and the numbers are 10 and 5. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So each child gets 2 lollipops. This is sharing when number of things are given and groups are given and you have to distribute or divide the things equally. This is called sharing. Now we will discuss the subtopic dividing by 2, 5 and 10. Dividing by 2, 5 and 10 is same as we have discussed in sharing and grouping. For this, you just have to revise the table of 2, 5 and 10, and I hope now you have learned these tables. Now I will explain it with the help of example. Fatma have 15 cookies. She puts 5 cookies on each tray. How many trays she need? In this question, total things are given and 5 cookies are the number of things which we have to put in the group. Trays are group. What we have to find? Group. For this, we will divide these two numbers. 15 divided by 5. Write the division fact. This is called division fact. 15 divided by 5. And the read table of 5 up to 3. 5 threes are 15. So she needs 3 trays. Now this is the example of dividing by 5. Dividing by 2 and 10 are the same. You just have to read the table of 2, 5 and 10. Students, there are 2 points about which you have to be careful. Sometimes students get confused on these points. They are group of 2 and 2 groups. If the question is circle the group of 2. Group of 2 means 2 things in each group. Group may be more than 2. Group of 2 means 2 things on in each group. As you can see, there are 4 groups and in each group there are 2 things. And the other point is 2 groups. Circle the 2 groups means you have to circle the 2 groups. The number of things may be more than 2. Now I will explain these points with the help of example. Here is an example. Circle to show groups of 2. There are 6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will divide 6 by 2. And the answer is 3. And this number 3 are groups. There are 3 groups of 2 things. You can see there are 3 groups and in each group we have 2 things. So group of 2 means 2 things in each group. Okay students, now the example is same but the question is different. Means we have 6 oranges and you have to show 2 equal groups. Again for this we will divide the number 6 by 2 and answer is 3. But now here 3 is the number of things in 2 groups. You can see we have 2 equal groups and each group have 3 things. I hope now the concept of group of 2 and 2 groups, 2 equal groups is clear to you. Before going any written work, you have to remember the following points. Learn the table of 2, 5 and 10. Group of 2 means 2 things in each group and use the proper sign for division. It's homework time now. Students, in this week you have to do the textbook page number 79 and 84 and workbook page number 73 to 78. Here we have the homework of week 11. In week 11, we will continue the previous chapter, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Dividing by 2, 5 and 10. And in this week, we will discuss the subtopic multiplication and division, and the other subtopic is solving word problems. What is the relation between multiplication and division? As you have learned that multiplication is addition of repeated number and division is the inverse of multiplication. In addition, we are adding a repeated number and in division, we will subtract the repeated number. So this is the relation between multiplication and division. The concept will be more clear after this example. Example is put 10 buns in a group of 2. How many plates are there? To find the group, as we have discussed, we have to divide the number. 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. There are 5 plates. If there are 5 plates and there are 2 buns on each plate, and if we multiply 5 by 2, we will get the 10 buns. Means here we get the total things, and in dividing we are distributing the things. In multiplication we get the product, and in division we divide the product. In previous example, we have to grouping the number. Now in this, we have to share the things. Put 10 buns equally on 5 plates. How many buns are there on each plate? For this, we will divide the number 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. There are 2 buns on each plate and there are 5 plates. Again, if we multiply the number of plates with the number of buns on each plate, we will get the total buns. So this is the relation between division and multiplication. After this explanation, we can make a family of multiplication and division fact. As I told you, this is a division fact and this is called multiplication fact. So we can make a family of multiplication and division fact, that is 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10, and if we divide 10 by 2 we will get the 5, and if we will divide 10 by 5, answer is 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10 give the same result as 2 multiplied by 5, but 10 divided by 2 is not the same as 2 divided by 10. They are not same. As you have learned some clue words for addition, subtraction and multiplication, same we have some clue words for the division. They are quotient, share equally, each, every, evenly, split into. And at your level, mostly the words which are used in word problem are share equally, each, split and into. You have to learn these words. By these words, when you read the problem, you can identify that we have to divide the numbers. Here we have word problems involving division. Words problem involving division steps are same as you have done for addition, subtraction and multiplication. As you know, there are 5 steps for solving word problems. The step 1 is read the problem carefully. The second step is circle or underline the numbers. The third step is do the working and then write the statement, and last step is recheck your working. I hope all of you have learned these steps. Here we have a word problem example. Mrs. Ali has 10 marshmallows and she have to divide these marshmallows into 2 children. How many marshmallows does each child get? Now what we have to find? Number of things. So we will divide the numbers 10 and 2. Write the division fact 10 divided by 2. Read the table of 2 up to 5. 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 5, and 5 are the number of marshmallows which each child get. So to solve the word problem, you have to read the problem carefully, then underline the number, then you have to identify what you have to do. Add, plus, minus or divide or multiply. Then do the working, then write the statement and recheck your working. Recheck your working mean if you are adding, add again. If you are subtracting, subtract again. And if you are multiplying, then read the table again. And for division also you have to read the table. Now the division by 2, 5 and 10 is same as we have discussed in this problem. You just have to read the table of 5 and 10 when you are dividing any number by 5 and 10. Before going on your written work, you have to remember the following points. Relate multiplication to division. Recognize that division is the inverse of multiplication. Read and write and learn the table of 2, 5 and 10. And then divide by 2, 5 and 10. This is the homework for week 11. You have to do the textbook page number 85 to 89 and then workbook page number 79 to 82. I hope all the concepts are clear to you and you will do your homework happily. Stay blessed and thank you.